ओके सो खुल गया है आपका गिफ्ट बहुत मेहनत के बाद. दीप शिखा, थैंक यू. थाईलैंड, बैंकॉक. आई विल ओपन योर गिफ्ट. टी शर्ट with my picture. Ah, but it's okay. Someday I'll wear. Somewhere. Happy birthday to me. Thank you. Very nice यार. मैंने कभी करवाया नहीं. मुझे लगा कि मैं अपनी पिक्चर अपने टी शर्ट पे पहन रहा हूँ. But at least you gifted me on my birthday. So thank you. Thank you so much. Maybe on my next birthday I can wear this at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, at home I can wear. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, what is that? Oh, no, this is something else. This has jewelry and all in this.
That's the decoration.
Decoration, yeah. This is some album. Very nice, yaar. A heart outside. Thank you. मुनीम जी. मैं मुनीम जैसे बिहेव करता हूँ उनको. कितने की बिक्री हुई आज हमारी? ओह 2 लाख 3 लाख. ओके वेरी नाइस यार. वेरी नाइस. क्यूट. कमिटमेंट ऑफ लव, स्माइल एंड हैप्पीनेस. यस दैट्स ट्रू. नज़र नहीं हटती. दीपशिका, यू आर अमेजिंग यार. मतलब क्रिएटिविटी बाहर फूट रही है तुम लोगों की. निकल के हाँ. ऑल ऑफ यू आर सो क्रिएटिव. सब ऐसे एक दूसरे को पीछे छोड़ रहे हो यार रेस में. वेरी नाइस यार. थैंक यू. और दीज बटरफ्लाइज क्यूट यार. दीज आर वेरी क्यूट बटरफ्लाइज. थैंक यू दीपशिका. वाओ. दिस इज एक्चुअली हैंडमेड एट होम. आई कैन सी दैट. या बहुत कुछ है यार रीड करने के लिए. मैं बाद में रीड करूँगा. आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू. आई एम जस्ट लाइक आई एम ऑल्सो लुकिंग थ्रू ऑल द पिक्चर्स. मुझे बता देते यार. मैं रखता ही नहीं एल्बम वाले को. सारी पिक्चर्स तो तुम लोगों के पास है ऑलरेडी. थैंक यू यार. दिस इज सो क्यूट. वेरी नाइस. आई नो. बट ऑब्वियसली आई विल शो दीज थिंग्स टू सनाया एंड शी विल बी टच्ड. And I am also very touched with your creativity and your hard work. And this is so cute yaar. And even we like, we like handmade, and like, your effort shows, and like your creativity is coming out, and like your love, wishes, everything is yours. So we are touched. Thank you. So cute yaar. Wow. You are the best thing I got in my life, Mr. and Mrs. Sehgal. And we have you guys, so thank you for being in our life. Thank you. Oh, so much to read. I will read this. Chami has also written something in Deepshika's. All everyone. Okay, everyone has written something or the other. Muskan Jain. Okay, I can just name all the people who have written. Jinnah Khan. Okay, Chami, Juhi. Okay, Muskan, Tanya, and Bias. Okay, and Radhika. Okay, and Suparna. Okay, Sukanya. Okay, तो ये तुम बता रहे हो कि ये एक ग्रुप है. हाँ. मालविका. ओके. तनु फ्रॉम देहरादून. मेरी भाभी का नाम तनु है. वो देहरादून में रहती हैं. फाइंड हर. ओके, व्हाट इज दैट? लॉट्स ऑफ लव. अनु. ओके, अनु USA. ओके. फौजिया. फौजी एंड फजी, राइट? Sanaya's fans. Am I right? I think I'm right. I've met you guys in London. Pari. Okay. Soham, Sonia, Swati. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you very much, everyone. Anju. Thank you, people. Thank you for this lovely album, handmade. Thank you for so much effort. Thank you. It means a lot to us. Thank you. No. I'm not tired, yeah. So sweet. People put so much effort, yeah. And Manukar. Deepshika and Manukar. Okay. On your birthday, a letter from you guys. Thank you. Best wishes for a happy birthday and a year of good luck, good health, and happiness. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay, what is that? Sonia and Tanya from Bangladesh. Thank you, guys. Let me open. It's open from here. Okay. 4. Okay. 5. That's it. So much. These are your gifts. Everything. Let me open the cards first. Okay. Tanya, Sonia, and Lima from Bangladesh. Thank you, guys. Happy birthday, Mohit. Thank you. Thank you, people. Come back soon. We are missing you. Even I'm missing here to see you guys and come on screen with a good show. Actually, I want to be part of a good show, not just like that, just for the heck of it, like that. I have to work. I just have to come on screen. I don't want to do like that. I want to come back, but with a good show, which I really love working in it. So I just want to be part of a good show where I'm happy what I'm doing. So I'm just waiting for that, and I'm sure it'll come soon to me, and I will be on TV very soon in front of you guys. So thank you. I will come back soon. Thank you, guys. We are not that creative persons, so sending you few gifts as a token of your love. Please accept it. It's not about being creative. It's just like small things. They touch my heart, and this is also creative. Like whatever you have written, whatever you have sent, this is creative. So everyone is creative person just inside us. So sometimes it shows, sometimes it doesn't show, but it doesn't matter. Like everyone is creative in their own manner. So thank you so much. Don't think so much, yeah, guys. Chill. Anniversary wishes with love. Okay, thank you. Have I opened this before? No, no? Okay. Mr. and Mrs. Sehgal, wishing you both a very, very happy anniversary. God bless you both, Mohit and Sanaya, always like this. Okay? I know it's a bit early still. Wanted to wish you both, love you, Mr. and Mrs. Sehgal. It's not like Jan is just right here. So thank you before. We have reached to our anniversary, so I'm getting all your gifts. So thank you. All your wishes are coming before the anniversary. It's good. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Purple. Is purple your favorite color? Huh? On my anniversary? Okay. I don't mind. I like all the colors. Purple shirt. Thank you. Maybe I have one. I don't know. Thank you for this lovely shirt. I hope it fits me. Slim fit. I like slim fit shirts, so I'm sure it'll fit me. Thank you for this lovely shirt. Maybe with black color I'll wear this. Thank you. Black pants. Tanya, Sonia, and Lima. Okay, Lima, Tanya, Sonia, thank you. What is it? Tell me before I open. Can you tell? No, okay. I don't know. Should I guess? A tie. I think so. Because with shirt I can. I know you guys so much. A tie. Yeah, and cufflinks. See, my guess worked. Very nice. I like the tie. With double shades. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So you guys are, all of you guys are dressing me up, huh? For my anniversary. Okay. Good. हाँ, हम दोनों को तैयार कर रहे हो? Okay. Thank you. Something related to dressing me up. Is this?
Both of you, I guess.
This is for both of us. Mohit Sehgal and Sanaya Irani, both of us. Tanya, Sonia, and Lima. All right then. For both of us. What is it? I can't guess this, yaar. I don't know. Maybe a watch. Maybe. No. Am I right? I know you guys in and outs now. In and out. Time view. See? Watch. Mrs. Sehgal is calling. Hi, baby. You're on speaker, okay? Okay, Sanaya, guys. Sanaya is wishing everyone, okay? Sanaya here. You can say anything you want.
Okay, hey guys, a happy new year to everyone firstly, and thank you for all the sweet things y'all must have sent. I can imagine. I'm not there, but thank you. A heartfelt thank you to all of you.
Baby, people have sent everything for our anniversary to dress us up, from the dress to the jewelry to the chocolates.
Oh my God.
Everything. Watch, wine glass also. So on anniversary we don't need anything. We'll just sit on a balcony and maybe we'll go out somewhere. But everything is here. So whatever you want to wear.
How sweet.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. As wishes also now. Good time. And here are the watches. See, I knew it. Thank you, guys, for these two lovely watches.
One more to your collection.
Yeah, one for me, one for Sanaya in my collection. Thank you. And in Sanaya's collection too. So thank you. Even she has started collecting watches. उसको भी आदत लग गई है मेरी वाली. So thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. अब हम पूरी तरह से तैयार हो चुके हैं. अब हम जाएं? नहीं जाएं? मालू, 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 मालू. Okay. Malu, I don't know. But thank you for your gift. Thank you. I'm opening this. Okay, so your gift is open. Art and hubs. Okay. Something artistic. I knew it. You guys did it, huh? अब तो मेरे को समझ में आ चुका है तुम लोग क्या करने वाले हो मेरे साथ में. Now I need a big थैला. Huh? Let's. Oh no. There is something, but I just have to open it carefully. Oh, a couple on a horse.
Yeah.
Oh, so cute. मैं तो सोच रहा तुम लोग मेरे से खेल रहे हो. Boxes. Oh, a couple. White horse, white couple, white dress. So cute. Thank you, people. Thank you. Malu, thank you. अब बहुत अच्छे से पैकिंग की है इसलिए टूटा नहीं है. वेरी गुड. समटाइम्स all your gifts it breaks and then फिर हमारा दिल टूटता है यार. बहुत बुरा लगता है. So it's good that you have wrapped it so well, and it doesn't matter if it took time, but at least it's here in one piece. So that's what matters, and it's very cute. Thank you, Malu. Thank you. Malu, one more gift. A stuffed toy that I can say to a couple. But what is it? Very cute, यार. बस अब सनाया सारा दिन बोलती रहेगी how cute. बस. And they're hugging each other. How cute. Thank you. Very cute. This is a mug by Malu. Mrs. Always Right. That's right. That's right. They're always right. Yeah. Very cute. I'll give this to Sanaya. No, I think I should keep it with me so that I always.
So you have one more.
Acha, हाँ. Is that Mr. is always right? Or Mr. are always wrong? Mr. Right? Okay.
But Mrs. are always right.
Mrs. are always right and Mr. Right. Okay. Yeah. I understand. Thank you. So cute. This goes in our we have made a coffee wall in this house, and we is still under process, and we're still making. So this goes on that wall. Thank you. A shirt, maybe. Oh, how cute. Thank you. Very cute, yaar. Small girl, small boy, flying in the air, boating, on swing. Very cute. Thank you. So cute. What is that? That's the cushion. Okay. So I'll open it later so that whenever I open it becomes big. So whenever it's needed and whenever I'm ready to change my cushion, so I will open this. But this is very cute. Thank you. Okay. These are the t-shirts. Okay. Let me see. What is it? Hubby. Ooh. This is for Sanaya. Very nice. Thank you. From Sanaya. I'll give this to her. Okay. And wifey?
That's for you.
Okay. These can be our night t-shirts. Thank you. Very cute, yeah. Wifey and hubby, huh? For our anniversary. Thank you. Oh, maybe we can wear this on our anniversary at home. अगर हम पहनेंगे तो हम एक फ़ोटो भेजेंगे. Okay? Thank you. मैं नहीं खोल सकता. ये इसको दूर करो. But there's a letter for Sanaya, private. I'll give this to her.
आपके लिए.
From Kavya. Okay. Kavya, thank you. Happy birthday, Mohit Saigal. So obviously this is not private. Happy birthday, Mohit Saigal. I wish you have a wonderful year ahead. I'm so sorry I was not aware a gift segment was happening. I assume because you are not doing a show, and there won't be a gift segment as I am not very active on internet. I am also not active, yaar. I'm sorry, yaar. I could not buy a gift. It's okay. This letter. This letter is more than enough, and this thing means a lot to me, yaar. So please don't be in that stress that if everyone is sending gifts, you have to send a gift. You don't have to send gifts. Me and Sanaya, we have always said that you don't have to send gifts. This is enough for us, just for the remembrance and for your love. Your wishes are more than enough for us. So please do not say that. Please, I feel bad. But I will send a gift next year. No, don't send. This is enough, okay? Spend it on yourself. Your money. Please spend it on yourself. Don't send anything. This is more than enough, okay? So thank you for this letter. I will read this later, and Shiny's name is also mentioned there. Okay, so thank you.
Again for your wife.
For my wifey. Is this private? Yeah. No. Romania. Kosrina. Okay, Romania. Okay, thank you. For Sanaya, should I open? Not open?
I don't know.
Open. I'll just show it to you. I won't read, okay? Sanaya will read it. Okay, I'll just open. Not public. Just for you. I think this is for Sanaya. Okay, so basically, Sanaya will open this and she shall read this later. Okay. Whew. Okay, guys. Gift segment is over. And all your gifts, all your wishes are so cute, so nice. Thank you so much to all of you for always, that you always remember my birthday. I don't remember anyone's birthday and I feel so bad. Today's my friend's birthday. Is it today's 9th?
Yes.
Oh, my best friend's birthday. Shit. It reminds me of my... See, I don't remember anything. So I'll wish him later. But thank you so much for, that you always remember my birthday and always send so many gifts and wishes and, so much love. Thank you for everything. Thank you for being with me. Thank you for being with us. And thank you for all your love, yaar. You guys are the best. I'm so blessed that I have you guys in my life. We both are so blessed, Sanaya and me, that we have you guys in our life. So thank you so much. It means a lot. Without you guys, we are nothing. We are everything only with you guys. And I shall come on TV very soon. Thank you. I'm really sorry, but this is little private. Me and Sanaya, we don't want to do any segment, but obviously we accept all your wishes and thank you so much for everything. On our birthdays, we can meet. We can see each other. We can talk. We can chat. And whenever you guys can come down to our sets, you can always. You're most welcome. Thank you so much.
Okay, what are your plans for anniversary? Like, are you giving some Surprise.
No, obviously we are not going to stay at home, so we'll be going out somewhere, and I will plan something. Obviously, this is our first anniversary. I have to make it special, So I will plan something. Yes, nothing planned yet. मुझे बहुत टाइम लगता है प्लानिंग करने में. आई एम ऑलवेज कन्फ्यूज, ये करूँ कि वो करूँ, क्या करूँ. अच्छा, उस जो पहले किया था उससे टॉप कैसे करूँ. यू ऑलवेज डू दैट. पिछली बार तो ये किया था, अच्छा उससे क्या ज़्यादा हो सकता है. सो आई जस्ट होप कि ये सोचते सोचते ऐसा ना हो कि एनिवर्सरी पास आ जाए और मैं कुछ भी ना कर पाऊँ. सो आई हैव टू डू समथिंग स्पेशल विच इज़ समथिंग डिफरेंट वॉट शी लव्स. सो I will do something.
Any gift, like अभी इतने सारे ideas तो आपके fans ने ही दे दिए gifts को लेके.
It's been years. I think given everything what she likes. तो मुझे इसी चीज़ में confusion होती है. If you have any ideas, you can send me on Insta, Twitter. But I will. Let me see. I haven't thought of anything. Let me see. Yeah, something different I have to do. I have given her everything, but I can't think of something which she needs and she doesn't have, and which is something very special. So right now I can't think, but I will think it. I'll think it very soon. Hi, this is Mohit Sehgal. You are watching me on India Forums, and please subscribe to the YouTube channel India Forums. Keep watching India Forums, guys.
Watch the video to know more. Hope your love was received by Mohit. Keep sending your love, and we promise to deliver it to your favorite stars. And don't forget, for more updates on your favorite stars, like, share and subscribe on YouTube to India Forums. Addiction at its best. Ashima Chavda, camera person Mangesh, India Forums, Mumbai.